Okay guys, so now I'm going to do the 21 cup challenge. So yeah, Mark is the trusty assistant. And start.
That's one.
Nothing's got me in the face.
And five.
Don't get the face and put it up.
That's
Put it up.
6.
Oh my god.
That's 7.
12. Oh my god, 3 days. Oh my god, my arse is dry, but my chest is wet. Fuck's sake. Alright, 12. No, we're done.
12 in the face.
No. 12. Alright,
Right, we're
Alright,
done.
guys, like and subscribe.
Please, this was a great challenge, and it's like he's so
It's
good.
freezing cold.
So please just like and subscribe because I just made him soaking wet. Peace out.
Peace out.